Hello friends, I'm Mr. Mark and I'm here to do some kid writing. Today we are going to use the magic line. The magic line is a special thing that can help us to become writers. Everyone can be a writer. Everyone can write. The first thing a writer does is make a plan. Think about, what am I going to write about today? I've got to think, what am I going to write? Oh, I know. I can write, my wife is growing flowers, because my wife Beth really likes to grow flowers. So I'm going to show you my picture plan for my wife is growing flowers. I've drawn a little bit just to save some time. My picture is above the line, above the smiley face. Here's my little date box up there. And here's my wife Beth with a watering can. Water is pouring out of the watering can, and here are her flowers. I have to finish my picture. I've got to give them some stems and leaves. Stems are the things that come down, then there are the leaves. Stems and leaves on my flowers. Actually, they're not my flowers, they're Beth's flowers. Here's a nice big sunflower in the back, and sunflowers have these big leaves. So my wife Beth is growing flowers. That's my picture plan. Now I'm going to begin to write the sentence. My wife is growing flowers. There are 5 words in that sentence. My wife is growing flowers. Now I know my has the sound in it, and that's represented by the letter M. So there's my. Wife is the w sound. And I know that sound because it's in my last name, Weekland. My name is Mark Weekland. So that's the letter W makes the W sound. My wife is, I know how to spell is now because I've been studying the whiz of is. And we'll talk about the whiz of is a little bit later on in another lesson. There's is, I-S. My wife is growing. I'm not sure how to spell growing right now. And I don't want to stop and slow down my writing, so I'm just going to put a magic line. That stands for the word growing. My wife is growing. That's my magic line. What is this, everybody? It's a magic line. It stands for a word. My wife is growing flowers. Another big long word. I'm not quite sure how to spell that, so I'll just put a second magic line. What is this, everyone? It's a magic line. And then here at the end is my period. All sentences have a period at the end. And now I've got my sentence. My wife is growing flowers. Flowers. Ooh, I hear a sound in there at the beginning of flowers. It's the f sound. And I remember that is an F. Fl. And there's a l sound there too. That's an L. So I can go back and add some letters. My wife is growing flowers. So I filled in some of my magic lines there. I have my picture plan, I have my kid writing, and then a little later on, some adult can come along and do the adult writing underneath, and then you can read your sentence from the adult's writing. And the adult would write I got my M, and there's a Y there too. My wife, W-I-F-E, is, I spelled that exactly correctly, is, I-S, growing, I-N-G, flowers. I got the F and the L both. So I'm doing a good job with my sounds and letters, and there's a period at the end, and then I can read this with an adult. My wife is growing flowers. We'll read it one more time. My wife is growing flowers. And that's the end of my kid writing. I've got my picture plan. I have my kid writing sentence. We learned about the magic lines that stand for words. And down below is the adult writing that we can read. What are you going to write about today, friends? What sentence will you write? Happy writing, everyone.